Hey guys, well, I had a request from a YouTuber. I do not remember his name. Wants me to do a cold start on the Lawnboy 8461. So I thought I'd do it for him, but let me get her out. Okay. Set it right over here. Yeah, y'all can get a good look, especially at that gas tank. Since when I applied some wipe new on it, it looks perfect. Looks really good now. And so let's see if it has any gas in it. Yep, it's got some in there. So again, this is our Lawnboy 8461 commercial that my dad bought brand new back in either 1989 or 1990, one of those years. So yeah, let's try and get back here. There's the model number 8461. And there's the serial number, which is E239C0111. So the E, which means that it's a 1986 model. Okay. Just get the tripod all positioned here. We'll just set it inside the storage building. So first I think about it, I'll turn the fuel valve on. Now this thing hasn't been running in about, oh geez, maybe 3 weeks or maybe 4. So it's been a while since it last ran. Okay, get the tripod all set up here. I think that should work. Normally this motor will start up in about 1 or 2 pulls, but we'll see what it'll do here. Alright, switch on choke, and let's see what it'll do. Well, not too bad after sitting for a few weeks. So cool. So again, that's the cold start on the Lawnboy 8461 commercial, which was requested by a YouTuber. So cool. So I hope y'all enjoyed the video. So thanks for watching.